When you're in Chicago, you want to eat and drink like the locals. So we found a place serving up craft cocktails, big flavor, with a local flair. That's right, we're here at Tiny Tavern. Welcome to Tiny Tavern. We're here at their location at Navy Pier, and I'm sitting with Mark Johnson. He's one of the owners of the Tiny brand, right? So Mark, thanks for letting us come into your restaurant here. Tell me a little bit about what the Tiny brand means to Chicago.
Our original location was born in the neighborhood. We were by the Addison Brown line up in Lincoln Square. And so we really try to bring the spirit and feel of the neighborhood to all of our locations. You know, the Tavern has such a storied history in Chicago. They were often union meeting halls. You could get your check cash there. They were places that were really like little community centers. So we really try to bring that feel downtown, even though we're in some pretty high volume locations.
Sure, yeah. Mark, you're known for your signature cocktails. You've got to have a most popular. What's your most popular cocktail?
Probably it's the Suburban. It's bourbon, Averna, Salerno blood orange liqueur, fresh lemon, ginger beer, and it's wildly popular.
Wow, that sounds awesome.
And it's kind of a sipper, it's strong.
Sure.
But it doesn't matter, male, female, old, young, people love it.
Yeah, that's great. What can our attendees expect when they come into any of your locations, either here or on the Riverwalk?
A smile. They'll be greeted with a smile. You know, our staff is truly reflective of the city, and also the brands that we choose to partner with are reflective of the city as well. That's something that's really important to us, and so your attendees will have an opportunity to get a real feel for Chicago and what it's like to be in a neighborhood, even if they don't actually get to go to a neighborhood.
Sure, no, I get it. Well, thank you so much, Mark, for having us in today. If you're looking for locally sourced craft cocktails, exciting upscale bar food, a nice, relaxed, ambient atmosphere, you definitely have to come and check out Tiny Tavern here at Navy Pier or any of their other locations. Mark, thanks so much. I think we're going to dig into some of this food.
Let's do it.
Do you like our Around Chicago series? Let us know. Leave a comment below and click subscribe to keep up to date on all the latest IMTS news. And as always, thanks for watching.